Hello, and welcome to Axiom. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to install the UCCNC controller for the Axiom 2x2 CNC machine. First, insert the USB drive included with the machine into your computer. Once inserted, go to your File Explorer and locate the USB drive. Within the drive, click on UCCNC installation files. Select the first folder, and click the setup file. Once ready, the following dialog box will be displayed. Select the language and click OK. Click Next to continue with the installation and accept the agreement to continue. Do not change the installation folder and click Next. Here, select the units of measurement for your machine. Do not change the Start menu folder and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation process. If you receive a pop-up message, click Install to continue the installation. Click OK to continue. Please note that you should uncheck the Run UCCNC box before continuing. Click Finish to continue. Now, go back to the USB drive, select the second folder, and click Axiom Setup. Once launched, the following dialog box will appear. Please wait while this loads. Once the following box appears, click Start Installation. You will then be prompted to install the license key. Click Yes and locate the USB drive once again. Click UCCNC installation files again and select the second folder. Select the license and click Open. Once installed, click OK to continue. Please review the following message and click Exit once complete. Connect the RJ45 cable included with the machine into the Ethernet port on your laptop and to the Ethernet port located in the rear of the Axiom 2x2 CNC. Turn on the power to your machine to ensure that it's connected. Lastly, to connect the machines, go to your network connections, right-click on Ethernet, and select Properties. Select the line labeled TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Click Use the following IP address and ensure that the IP address matches the one displayed on screen. Click OK to continue. You can now close this window. Now you're ready to launch the program. Click the file labeled Axiom 2x2 to continue. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing Axiom.